Hello, and welcome to day 7, the last day of our week of mashing. So, we're just gonna get right into it, I guess. That works out nicely. So, yeah, we're gonna be playing against this Potemkin and just trying to learn things about Potemkin. I do have a friend who plays this character, so I do know a few things already, which is nice. But I have plenty to learn. My friend wipes the floor with me in this matchup, so we'll have to see. Do these guys have an intro line? I don't even know, to be honest. We'll let it rock if it does. Nah, they just got random normal stuff.
Versus Testament. Duel 1. Let's rock.
Oh, I got whooped. That is unfortunate. Oh, thought that I was doing something that would actually work there. Alright, we kind of got quiet there because I was trying hard. So, one of the things that I've learned in this matchup, only recently, is... Nice 6p. That, Mega Fist is... The forward Mega Fist is minus on hit, which I did not know. Oh, I thought that I could hit him twice there with the fireball. Alright, so his plan is largely just block there. Okay, that's fair. I deserve that. Oh, okay, he went for it. Oh, that was supposed to be something a little more impressive than that. Thought that I had waited long enough there. Oh, he got me. Alright, well, we threw away like a couple of pretty easy wins there, I think, because I'm still not really concerned with counter hit attacks. But we probably had a pretty easy win there regardless. We can definitely start looking at making those work. I was really expecting Garuda there, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, you're too fat. You can't get away with that like other characters can. That doesn't hit twice in time. Alright, I thought he might switch it up, but that's fine. Oh, he's just doing it, huh? Alright. I thought that after the backdash the first time he might stop, but I will happily backdash every single time if he's going to give me the counter hit there. That's fine. So yeah, this matchup, we're still at the level, at least I am still at the level, where this is, like, Potemkin is one of the highest tier characters in the game from my personal perspective, right? Because he's got so much health, he's got several pretty gimmicky things that he can do with you, and he's just allowed to gamble a lot more than most characters are. So, you know, I don't have the consistency down to really stop him from, you know, hoping that I don't 6p in the right direction. Alright, right. You gotta block that low or jump. Thought that would hit. I'm really trying to catch that with the jump D, but it's not working. Oh, he went for it. Okay, I wasn't sure. We didn't quite get the... Ooh, we'll take a little bit of punishment for that, and we'll try to hit him here. Okay, that is punishable. I'm not good at it, unfortunately. I don't quite get out of the way of that in time, unfortunately. With the backdash, yeah, backdashes just don't have the juice that they do in Smash Brothers.
wins. Duel 2. Let's rock.
Let's do a backdash. Oh, I thought that would hit twice in time. Wow, okay, I don't know how I got the... I just wanted a backdash there. I did not want anything magical there. He let us get out because he wasn't paying attention to the fact that we had that option. Wow, that changes his timing rather significantly there. Oh, that was not quite what we wanted, but it worked out. We didn't get dunked for that. Okay, yeah, and he's just like doing silly things in the air. I can probably like just jump out of the way of that and still punish it, to be honest. That seems like a decent place to backdash. Oh, he didn't charge at me, so I'm not like in immediate danger there. I thought I was going to be able to jump cancel that for some reason. Okay, we'll put him in the corner for that. Yeah, and he's just like double jumping at me, and there's nothing I'm doing about it. Not nothing that I can do about it necessarily. Just nothing that I am doing about it. Okay. I thought that he was going to do it the first time, and I was getting ready for the counter hit, so that's on me. Yeah, he's allowed to gamble so many times. And I don't have quite the stuff to really, like, you know, when he's doing the hammer falls and the unsafe Mega Fists. He's not Mega Fisting a lot, though. I think he decided that I'm good enough at beating that he didn't want to do it too much. Or maybe he just isn't a very Mega Fisty Potemkin, so he just tried it once and was like, alright, never mind. But yeah, I really need to get those punishes on the hammer fists, or hammer falls, because it's going to help me a lot. Oh, I was trying to teleport. No, I wanted to... Oh, if it goes off screen, can I not do it anymore? Is that what happened? He messed up. I was trying to DP again there. It didn't work, just to try to troll him a little bit, but it did not work. Yeah, just a lot of like little executional things, little punishes that we could be getting that we aren't. Yeah, like that. That's punishable. I think it may not be punishable with the move that I just chose, though. It might only be punishable with... Oh, he didn't go for the throw. I was trying to bait the throw. Instead, he actually caught my backdash with that. Oh, I was trying to, I think I pressed a D accidentally when I was trying to, what's it? FD. Because my D and my FD are right next to each other. Yeah, so, like, I get wiped by this matchup, even though I feel like I know it fairly well. I just don't execute very well, right? Like, I've got the... I push the buttons after the things that I know I can punish, and I just don't punish them, or I do hit them, and I'm not, like, getting these, you know, he's got Stain on him, he goes for the crazy, like... Mega Fist or Hammer Fall to try to catch me, and then I go like this and he blocks it, and then the stain goes away, and then he's fine, right? And really he should be like a hair's breadth away from losing the game instantaneously off of stuff like that, because that's so scary to do against Testament with Stain. So we have to work on that. So I'm happy to get this Potemkin as many times as needed, because
Mankind.
I need this practice.
Duel 1. Let's rock.
Oh, he went for it. A nice one there. I feel like he needs to flick more. Oh, that wasn't close enough. We had him too. Alright, well, I'm just gonna dash at him because I don't think he's ready for it. He hasn't done a lot of like 6P except the one round start to beat me out, so we'll just back off. Throw a fireball here, I think that's fine. There we go. That was clearly not what we wanted. And I need to get that 6P on better. It is nice that that's got 2 hits on it though, doesn't it? That was a good challenge. Can I hit him from there? No. I'm trying to get something off of that so I can just kill him because he doesn't have burst, but I'm like, I don't know what to do. So, you know, that'll be something to look at, right? If we get the 2K into sweep, maybe I just have to immediately go into a hit right there, and then I could like do a wall break that breaks the, or that kills him there because of the wall break damage or something.
Duel 1. Let's rock.
Yep, there we go. I think I need to do, what's it? 2K there. Oh, and we're sending him through the wall, but that's alright. I think we just burst there to not deal with that, to be honest. Ah, it recovers so fast too. Alright, there we go. So, yeah, we're getting a couple more of the punishes now. We're just gonna walk back. He just jumped at me. I don't know what's going on there. Right. The armor doesn't break from the stain. That one still kind of gets me because I'm like, oh, I hit him, but that doesn't matter. Even though you hit him first. Like, I know the counter hits don't work, but even though you hit him first, it's like... doesn't really matter. Oh, he needs to start FDing. He's super in trouble. Alright, there we go. Yeah, hard to talk if I'm trying to concentrate too. That's another thing, is I'll probably start doing... I've largely just been doing my week ofs as my practice with a little bit of like training mode and stuff on the side. I'll probably have to start doing a little bit more where I'm just not talking and really just trying to focus, because it helps. Like this has been a great motivator. Like posting videos even if nobody's watching it to really get into this. Like that's part of my mental, and talking about this kind of stuff and really trying to force myself to do these things helps, right? Because if I just start pushing buttons, I stop like paying attention to game plans and stuff. Man, that is such a cool intro. But
Duel 1. Let's rock.
I thought that I could jump that and then get my stuff that I wanted. Let's just push the wrong button. Okay, on the plus side, he just gold bursted into nothingness. So we're not in a bad place here. Alright, he gets that. Well, now he's got to get in. Yeah, I did not push a button, sir. I know better than to do that. There was probably some kind of a kill with RC there. You got flick, don't you? No, we're just gonna punish that. Get out of here. Alright. Yeah, I'm really, like, waiting for a flick to happen, to be honest. Oh my god, it's so fast. Just because I'm in throw range doesn't mean you get to throw me, alright? Is he gonna block that? I think he is, yeah. I tried to jump that. There we go. Now the run-up lows are doing their thing. Alright, and that was a slightly different game against the exact same opponent, wasn't it?
I'd say it's time for a tea break.
Yeah, that set
Sugar for you.
went a wildly different direction than the first one, because I felt like I was right there on the edge, right? And it just wasn't quite like, I know that these things are punishable, or that I'm plus even if I get hit by Mega Fist, so I can block low pretty safely without, you know, as long as Potemkin doesn't have meter. I know the whole, like, you know, hammer fall RC throw LOL get wrecked. So we, you know, I do have some knowledge in this matchup that's helping me, even if I'm not great at it, and also my execution is kind of keeping me stuck sometimes. But we're having fun, and yeah, I still have more that I'm sure I can learn from this Potemkin. We've only played, what, 6 games. I was not ready for that to break the wall, but I guess I had done a lot of damage to it, huh? Yeah, he needed to cancel that sooner and do it earlier. There we go, that's where that backdash is helpful. I am willing to play that game when you have Stain. I will risk not hitting my 6P and getting butt slammed if hitting you with the 6P ends you. Wow. Oh. Okay, that's fair. I deserve that. Alright, he actually went for it. I wasn't sure. But kind of every time that I'm in that situation where I feel like I'm going to get thrown, he's thrown. So I'll just keep backdashing, I guess. Like, I'm expecting him to go for a sweep eventually to catch that, or like a Garuda impact or something is not happening. Up. Didn't backdash when I hit the ground. Oh, that did not quite hit, huh? Okay, is he just gonna do it again? Yeah, I mean, like, in every situation where I feel like I'm about to get zonked by that, he just does it. And I'm doing a pretty risky... Oof, God. Okay, here comes the Mega Fist. I was trying to RC that, but I suck. Alright. The instant overhead RC, I was ready for it. But sadly, my fingers were not. Yeah, Yeah, lots of little practice things to do there. Like, since every single time he's just going for the jump, I was like, well, I might as well just go for, or going for the throw. I was like, I might as well go for the punish instead of backdashing, right? Like, if we're gonna RPS there, we might as well pick our best possible reward, which in that case was the game, right? With like jump jab or something that's gonna hit giant Potemkin's body into RC. But my RPS and risk reward brain is not the same as my RPS and risk reward fingers at the moment. Soon they will be in sync, but we're not there yet. There we go. Thought for sure he was going to do something crazy. Ah, I tried to do something disgusting to him. It did not work. I was trying to do like the red RC and like get a combo off of that, but I don't know how that works apparently. Looked like I hit the recovery of it maybe or something. He wasn't actually in hit stun anymore because the 2K just doesn't do enough hit stun there. Not sure. I gotta figure out when that does and doesn't work, huh? I thought that was just gonna kill him, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, there we go. That was the ugliest game. It's fine.
Do try to learn your limits.
Yeah, so there you go. Like, there's a little bit of shake off the rust. Oh no. First of all, I'm sad that I knocked him down. Second of all, it tells me that I knocked him down, which makes me even more sad. And thirdly, we didn't get to finish our set, which makes me super sad. Alright, well I think this one's going to be another short one, because we are apparently only able to get that Potemkin, and that Potemkin just lost his floor, so I think I've done enough damage to that Potemkin. Oh, okay. Let's just kick this out a little bit. There we go. I thought I had pushed this, but for the first time ever, I didn't push it. Alright, well, it was pretty fun. That's been the week. I think I'm just going to keep playing, and instead of... I'll probably do a little bit more of what I was doing here, which is just, like, mostly trying to concentrate. I gotta check out some frame data on Dustloop to see if I was missing the 5k punishes when I was hitting Potemkin, or if it legitimately is a slower button or something and I was missing because of that. Like, most of the time I think 5Ks are faster and 2Ks are slower because the 5K is a mid, but, you know, every character is a little bit different, so I'll go check that out and, you know, try to get my matchup knowledge up a little bit better. But at the end, we actually caught a couple of those things I was talking about. The punishes when they have stain and they're being crazy and they just die for it, and it was good. You know, like, we'll have to watch wall damage, and there's all kinds of other little things to worry about that, again, like, they're not really where I am. I'll probably get a little bit more familiar with them as I go, but I'm not concerned about that yet. So, yeah. From here, I'm not sure. Like, the week ofs are fun, and they help me get, like, motivated, but once I have the motivation, like I kind of do now, I think they sort of get in the way. Like, I do all of my own... It's basic as heck, right? But I do all my own editing, all my own... you know, condensing of the files and all that, and it takes a long time, and it cuts quite a bit out of the time where, like, I get really excited, and I'm like, heck yeah, I like this, and then it's like, oh, I have to make a video out of this. So, yeah, it's cutting into my time a little bit, so we'll see. I'm not sure what I'll do. I might just do some updates and some match analysis. That might be the next thing I do. I'm thinking that'll probably be it. Just, like, some side notes, some, like, play some matches and do some analysis. And, yeah, we'll go from there. I guess the next video will probably be checking out our first week's standings. I hope to see you there.